Hello guys, you're welcome to another videos class. I'm Effiong Solomon Joshua, the CEO of Solo Digital Hub. In the previous 3 classes on using Kinemaster for video editing, we have been able to consider using a lot of features on the Kinemaster in editing your video, and we have come to the end of that one. In this video series, I'll be teaching you on how to exporting your file. In this video, and then in our subsequent video I'll also be teaching you how to reduce the file. Maybe your file is so large, maybe it takes up to 1 gig and all that, how to reduce it to maybe something like 100 MB from 1 gig, or from 3 gig maybe you reduce it to something like 90 or 120 MB. So reducing the file and all that subsequent video, I'll now be teaching you on how to create an intro using other apps and finishing clips and inserting it in your video in Kinemaster, so that while editing on Kinemaster you'll be able to insert those video intros and also the finishing clips. So let's go to how to export your video file on Kinemaster. Now let's go to our previous work we have done. Okay, now this is what we have done so far. I know it's kind of rough because it's just a class, so all you need to do is save the file first. After saving the file, click on the video, can you see it? Then go to the share icon. When you go to the share icon, it will tell you export and share. Now the full HD, when you see full high definition, we have high definition, we have so always make sure you put it in 720 is okay, and make sure your frame rate is around, either you put it on 25 or 30, but I do put it on 30 because I love that is okay. Now you see this about 103 MB because it's on HD 720. Now if you put it in SD 540, it will reduce to about 58 MB. So the resolution 540 resolution is more lower than 720. 720 is higher. 720 is higher, and it's on the lowest on your. If you look at your bit rate here, 3.7 Mbps. So always put it on either 720 or 540, but I do put it on 720 and 30 frame rate because I will say maybe if the file is too large, I have a means of reducing my file. Maybe it's on 103 MB now, I can reduce it to something like 48 MB or 50 MB. So I have a strategy I use on that, which I will teach you in this video. So after setting this, your HD 720p, you want to do it 1080p full high definition, you put in 30, and then you export it. So it will take for about a few minutes in exporting, and after exporting the project, it will appear on your video library. So let's wait for it to export. Let's wait for the project to export. It's exporting. Yeah, you will notice that while exporting, they didn't give us a warning that we should get the paid app because it will have the watermark. Yeah, it's because this is already a paid app already. So you have successfully export your video from Kinemaster to your video library. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this video in exporting a file from the Kinemaster to your main video library. If you found this video useful, please kindly hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get more of our subsequent video. Thank you.